Hey guys, I did my hair today. You know what's so crazy? In my last 2 videos, I'm over here like, hey guys, bloody 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 blah, chatting it up with y'all, and I didn't even tell y'all my name. Who does that? Who does that? Anyways, my name is May. You can call me May. If I like you, you can call me Mama. You can call me Princess. No, but for real, my name is May. Everybody call me May. My Instagram is The Princess. My TikTok is The Princess. My Threads is The Princess. I don't got Twitter. I don't got Snapchat. I don't got Facebook. I don't got none of that. Anyways, I'm May. May like the month. M-A-Y. No alibi. Let me stop. I just see this. Y'all know. At this point, that I just be rambling. I really did not like my hair in the last video, which is why I didn't sit down and do my intro like this for the last video, because it was like, yeah, I didn't really like it. But I love red. Nah, but if you like the color and the install, you want to see how I did it, just stay right there, don't move. I'm watching you. So because the hair was already pink, I just went right in and started coloring it red. I didn't have to do any color removal or anything. I went in with the wild cherry because that's just the kind of red that I was going for, you know? When it gets to the lace part though, you see how I'm dipping it like that? I was trying to be very cautious because I know when you do the watercolor method, dyeing it red, it's so easy to get the lace red. Like, you leave it in there for 2 seconds and the lace is red, and I don't got time for that. So I was trying to be very cautious. I poured a little bit of water out because I feel like the less water, the more effective, you know, like it takes the color better. So I took some water out, added more of the red, and then I did another round of dipping. Y'all see how I put the whole lace in there, gave it a little spinny spin, and took it right the fuck back out? Yeah, I'm not playing with that lace. I parted off the front of this because, like I said, the wigs be shaped a little funny sometimes, and like I said, I got an oval head, so I just went and cut that off. That part that I parted, I just went and cut it off just so it could match my head shape a little better. It was a reinstall too, so I ain't give no fuck about cutting no lace. You know, reinstalls last me a good week or two. And yeah, I be lazy, so I did not do the ball cap method this time. Like I said, I didn't really, when I do a reinstall, I only plan for it to last about a week or two. So I didn't do no ball cap. Honestly, all my wigs last a week or two. I don't know what I'm talking about. I just be picking and choosing when I want to do the most and when I don't. And this time I didn't. So I didn't do the ball cap method, and I put like 1 layer of glue, and yeah. You know, I actually love reinstalling my wigs because it just be so easy. Like, the lace already be cut and fit to my head, so it's like I really just gotta lay it on the glue, you know? I like that very much. I'm using the wax stick to define the part, and then I'm gonna hot comb it, but you're not gonna see it because my camera cut off, which is why you see the change in quality now. And it just jumped to me cutting the little front layers. Sometimes when I straighten my hair, I like to use the flat iron. Sometimes I like to use the Tymo straightener. This time I used the flat iron because, I don't know, it just gives it like a little more sleek vibe, especially when you cut like layers. Hear me out, hear me out. I know you can see the cap through the lace. I know you can see it. I can see it too. But in my defense, I'm gonna cover it with concealer, and it looked like that because I did not do the ball cap. So it's obviously gonna show. And I don't think I put no concealer on either. I'll be lazy. When I say I'll be lazy, but that hair gonna get done, okay? I'm in the booth playing with my pussy. I love Lotto for that. She's so dumb. She said, I'm in the booth playing with my pussy, bitch. Put it on the floor again. The fuck? Put it on the floor. Put it on the floor. Put it on the floor. I would curl this. Alexa, next song. Next song. Alexa, next song. Asha Def. What the hell, auntie? What the hell, y'all? Why did I go and move the camera thinking y'all was gonna be able to see what I was doing, and y'all still couldn't see it? Oh my god. Y'all know what I was doing though. I was defining that part with that concealer. You already know. It do cartwheels, and he pay cause he like how that part feel. Pussy gets speeches, heartfelt. This pussy really talk like it do. Okay. So we finished. This is a finished look, finished product. Yes. Okay, yes. A little reinstall, recolor. I like it. And y'all know how it gets. Y'all know how it get when a girl go red. Yeah, it's about that time to act bad. Yeah, but anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy watching me do my hair, then give me a like, a comment, subscribe, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.